It's a private one, so I'm wondering.
It's still 25 Gonzalez, so it doesn't matter.
This is?
Yeah. That's all I'm saying to these people, because you know they'll deter you to the most expensive boat. So I'm just saying 25 Gonzalez if they say yes. That's what I was told at the hospital. So. Oh no, you're fine. Any questions? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this is it. Pretty amazing. So, as you see, guys, it's if you don't speak the language, you kind of just have to wing it. Ask around. Hello, hola. So that's it. Everybody's kind. They'll gladly take your money. So, San Pedro. Oh, gracias. Right here. Climb over. Oh, 25 Gonzalez. Yep. All right. So here we are. Backpack down. So I was told it's cold, but it's actually really warm right now. Let me shut this off, save some footage here. 25 Gonzalez. The shuttle was, I think they like more on the 80 Gonzalez. So, anyways, inexpensive. All right.